Hey folks, have you all seen the latest episode of that new series on Netflix?
Not yet. Is it any good?
Oh, you guys are missing out. It's a roller coaster of emotions. We definitely need a watch party.
Count me in. How many episodes are there?
I think there are about 8 episodes in the first season.
Perfect. We can turn it into a mini marathon. But hey, before we dive into Netflix, can we talk about that hiking trip we've been planning?
Oh yeah, that sounds exciting. I heard there's a stunning trail up in the mountains.
Absolutely. We should plan it for next month when the weather gets warmer.
I'm in. Nature, fresh air, and good company. What more could we ask for?
Exactly. And speaking of good company, have you guys tried that new cafe downtown? Their pastries are to die for.
Oh, I've been meaning to check it out. Let's make it a plan for this weekend.
Sounds like a delicious idea. We can grab brunch and then head to the park for a picnic.
Count me in. But wait, before we finalize our weekend plans, has anyone heard from Michael lately? It feels like ages since we last saw him.
I messaged him a few days ago. He's been busy with work, but he said he'd love to catch up with us soon.
Great. It wouldn't be the same without him.
Definitely. All right, let's get back to the Netflix marathon. I'll bring the popcorn, John. You handle the drinks, and Emma, how about you bring some of your famous homemade cookies?
Sounds like a plan. This weekend is shaping up to be fantastic.
Agreed. Can't wait for all the fun adventures we have planned.
Me too. With great friends and great plans, it's bound to be an unforgettable weekend.
Cheers to that!
I hope that you have listened to the story carefully. Now let's jump into the vocabulary session. It will help to improve your word power, so listen to it carefully and try to memorize it. So, let's get started.
Serendipity, the occurrence of events by chance, happily or beneficially. Ephemeral, lasting for a very short time, fleeting. Resilience, the capacity to recover quickly from difficulties. Toughness. Euphoria, a feeling or state of intense excitement and happiness. Taciturn, reserved or uncommunicative in speech, saying little. Mellifluous, sweet or musical, pleasant to hear. Ubiquitous, present, appearing, or found everywhere.
I hope that you have listened to the story carefully and learned new vocabulary. Now let's jump into the question and answer session. I will ask you some questions. To answer, you can pause the video for a few seconds if you want, or just answer together. So let's get started.
What does Emma suggest they do before diving into the Netflix marathon? A. Go for a hike. B. Plan a picnic. C. Grab brunch at a cafe. D. Organize a game night. Answer. C. Grab brunch at a cafe. What does Sarah propose they bring for the Netflix marathon? A. Popcorn. B. Homemade cookies. C. Drinks. D. All of the above. Answer. D. All of the above. What activity are they planning for next month? A. A Netflix marathon. B. A hiking trip. C. A picnic in the park. D. A visit to a new cafe. Answer. B. A hiking trip. Who suggests inviting Michael to join their weekend plans? A. John. B. Sarah. C. Emma. D. All of them. Answer. A. John. What word describes the feeling Emma anticipates for the weekend plans? A. Serendipity. B. Ephemeral. C. Resilience. D. Euphoria. Answer. D. Euphoria. Now there are some true and false statements. Try to make the correct answer. Sarah suggests planning a hiking trip for next month. True. Sarah indeed suggests planning a hiking trip for next month when discussing outdoor activities. John suggests bringing homemade cookies for the Netflix marathon. True. Emma suggests bringing homemade cookies for the Netflix marathon. Mikhail declines the invitation to join the weekend plan. Falsa. There's no indication in the conversation that Michael declines the invitation.
That is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And what is your score in question and answer session? Let me know in comment box. Till then, see you soon.